Hi, this is Ben, and I'm getting out the HiCFM 24-inch portable high-velocity drum fan. I'm going to show you how to assemble this, and then we'll take a close look at the features and test it out. Besides the fan itself, the package comes with the support legs and a bit of hardware. There are 2 screws, so you will need a Phillips screwdriver to put this together. First step is to screw down the support crossbar. You can place the side bolts into the supports so the leg supports are in their approximate position. It just kind of helps to hold it into place. Then the crossbar is just screwed in with the 2 screws. Next, take the side bolt, put one smooth washer on it, then the rigid washer on it, and place this through the end of the supports. Then there are the rubber spacers that will go between the support and the fan. One side is rigid, and that will face the support legs, and then the other side is slightly curved, and that will face the fan. Screw the one side of the fan in, but just leave it loose. Don't tighten it all the way because you'll need a little bit of wiggle room to put the other side in. On the second side, I found it worked better to first push the spacer onto the little knob on the drum to hold that into place, and then hold the fan with one arm so it's lined up in the correct position while you screw the bolt into the side. It's a little bit tricky. Could be easier with 2 people, but I managed with just doing it by myself. So once the bolts are in place, you can tighten them down. And then once assembled, this fan's ready to go. You can swivel it nearly 360 degrees one way and all the way to the other side as well. So the fan has 3 speeds. I'm going to start it on low, and you'll notice that it takes just a few seconds for it to get all the way up to speed. You can hear the motor. So let's listen to compare the 3 different speeds, low, medium, and high. So taking a closer look at the construction of the fan, the front and the back gates are held in place with screws, so both the front and the back are fully removable if you need access to the blades for cleaning or anything else like that. The fan blades are metal, and the whole fan, it's all metal except for the plastic controls. And one more feature here on the back, there are these hooks if you want to wind the cord up on it, or just tidy up your excess cord. So in testing this out, I held this pom-pom about 10 feet away, and even standing 10 feet away, you can see the pom-pom is still moving in the wind. So what I noticed about this fan compared to smaller fans is the area of the air that is moving is much larger. Like, I can feel the air from my head all the way down to my feet. So definitely covers a lot of area. Overall, this is a great high velocity fan. It's lightweight, easy to move in position, has a decently long power cord, and it just moves a lot of air. Volume wise, it's what I would expect from the size of a fan. It is somewhat loud, but it is a large fan. The legs are quite sturdy, so just a good fan, great for covering a large area, a large space. So I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.